house. Electron house start for the C. Computer. Proton house R. Okay. Next, positron house M. Mouse. Neutron house E. Email. Okay. Next, electron house L. Electron house L. Laptop. Okay. Proton house P. Pen drive. Very good. Next, positron house E. What is the full form of SMTP? Neutron house. What is the full form of SMTP? What is the full form of HTTP? Proton.
Hypertext transfer protocol.
Right answer. Proton house. What is the full form of DBMS? Full form of DBMS. Of DBMS. MU. What is the full form of MU? Memory unit. VDU. VDU.
Visual display unit.
Visual display unit. What is the full form of AI? Artificial intelligence. Bit.
Binary. Binary.
Battery data. Okay, all the questions are completed. Shortcut keys. Electron house. What is the use of shortcut key? Center plus control plus L. Control plus L. Left alignment. Okay, right answer. Next, proton house. What is the use of shortcut key? Control plus E. Shortcut key. Control plus E. Center alignment. Right answer. Next, use of shortcut key. Control plus J. Yes. Justify alignment. Right answer. Next, neutron house. What is the use of shortcut key? Control plus Z. Undo is the right answer. What is the use of shortcut key? Space. What is the use of shortcut key? F2. F2. Edit is the right answer. Shortcut key F5. Refresh is the right answer. Neutron house are April 20, 1987. Next option is 20 April 2020. C option is 1990. D option is 1993. 1987 is the right answer. PowerPoint basically used for which purpose? Your options are document. B option is spreadsheet. C option is presentation. D option is database. Presentation is the right answer. Which of the following company developed Intel microprocessor? Your options are Google. Second option is Intel. Third option is Microsoft. And fourth option is AMD. I repeat the question. Which of the following company developed Intel microprocessor? Options are A. Google. B. Intel. Wrong answer. What is Cortana in Windows 10? Your options are A. Virtual assistant. B. Browser. C. Search engine. D. Reminder. Virtual assistant.
Reminder.
Reminder wrong answer. Neutron house. Which of the following extension names valid for MS Word? Your options are .docs, .ppt, .xlss, .acctv.
Docs.
.docs is the right answer.
This is Vaibhav Kushwaha from 9th standard, and today I am here to talk about in the favor of iOS, or we can say that the operating system of iPhone. So first of all, I want to say good morning to our chairman sir and principal ma'am. So what is iPhone? iPhone is a hardware device which comes with iOS operating system software that is very useful and very famous in nowadays. iOS has many advantages and disadvantages also. So as I am in favor, so I will talk about in favor the advantages of iOS. The ecosystem of iOS is very, we can say, the best of all other Android phones. We can connect easily any iPhone, or we can say the devices which comes with iOS software. So in my opinion, iOS iOS installed devices are the best as compared to Androids?
Honorable Chairman, Sir, Vice Principal, teachers, and all my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. This is Karthik Trivedi, and I am here for the debate, and my topic is Android versus iPhone, and I am talking about Android. So, first of all, I want to say with my point that iPhone is not affordable for everyone. In nowadays, there are many people which are not able to buy or purchase iPhone or iOS as any or iOS devices. So, in my opinion, Android is best for everyone because in this era of because in this era everyone can afford Android phones by according to their range that they can want.
In big billion days or in Amazon sales, we can buy iPhones at affordable price. And iPhone in current situations or in current days, iPhone is not that hard for everyone. So in any type of sale, iPhone is easily affordable and we can afford it.
iPhone is not affordable because everyone can't afford because it is everyone condition is not same. According to me, iOS gives frequent updates. Like it can be accessed by the older models. Like iOS is provide good security in their phones because iOS because but the Androids comparing from Androids are gives security, but that is not very good in the comparing of iOS and Androids. So according to me, iOS are gives correctly updates and frequently, so it can be accessed easily also. And iOS can be buy from all the people if they want, so they can also go and they can purchase iOS. So according to me, iOS in the comparing of Androids is better than Androids iOS.
One point is that in iPhone we cannot record our calls, outgoing and incoming calls, while in Android we can record our calls according to us, which is important in most of the criminal cases.
So, respected Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, all the teachers, and my dear friends. So, myself Anushka Pandey from 9th Standard, and today I am here in front of you all to express my thoughts about the cyber security. So, first of all, I want to explain the term what is cyber security. The cyber security is a term that is used for the cyber crimes. Means to cyber security means, as you can understand from its name, cyber and security. So it is a term which is used to save our crucial information from the viruses, trojans, and from the hackers. I think it is very important for all of us to use a cyber security term, because this term contains the firewall systems. Means it is a type of cyber security which we used. So this term is used because we can save our crucial information. You can see that nowadays many problems are creating. Like you can see that spamming and cyber crimes. Our information is assaulting by the hackers and by many peoples. So to save this cyber crime, we use cyber security.
So, respected Chairman Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and respected teachers, and all my dear friends. So, in front of you, this is Akshavasti from Positron House, and I am against of cyber security. So, cyber security is good, I know, but cyber security is sometimes cyber security is very bad. The point is that cyber security updates of cyber security is come in 1 or 2 days, so it is not fair that if the updates are regularly, so system are slower and system is slower, and sometimes cyber security is doing very bad work. So cyber security is not good.
Cyber security, it is a very important for us because if any for example, if any hackers attack our data, applications, files, so cyber security protect our data and many other things, files. That's why cyber security is very important.
From my side, just I'm saying that cybersecurity is bad because it is very highly costly, and our operating system, or we can say the software of our phone is too slow by cybersecurity.
cybersecurity is used nowadays very uh, when hackers and other people send nowadays many people send our message and calls which are spamming. Cybersecurity protects us from these messages. If it will not protect, then they can take our financial information and personal information.
I must say that my opponent said that it is affordable and mainly available for those who have to protect their informations and financial informations. So I must say that cybersecurity needs time. We have to clean our informations through 24 hours daily. So I must say that it's waste of time for sometimes. We can't say that it is a waste of time or it is not good for us, because I think it is good for everyone. If we are using the cyber security, means we are taking a step to secure our data, and whatever things we used, we should also keep it in our mind that security should be there. So it is very necessary for everyone to use the cyber security.